Before we begin, I just want to say thank you so much to everyone for celebrating 50 subscribers in this channel. It is so grateful that I just passed through my channel. I just went through my channel and we just passed through 50 subscribers. Like we would reach 51. That is so grateful. Thank you everyone for subscribing to my channel. And yeah, so let's go on to this video. Hi guys, welcome back to the Honey Bun channel. Today I got two more of these We Bare Bears collectibles. Last time when I unboxed it, it was this one when we celebrated 20 subscribers.
Wow.
And yeah, so we're unboxing these two again to get the collection. And yeah, let's start. And also, I'll show you the link in the description of the previous video that I unboxed Ice Bear. Anyway, so let's start opening this tape. They actually had the same. It was the same shop in Miniso, in the mall that I bought Ice Bear. This is actually kind of satisfying. Oh. Let's see what is inside. Hopefully it's not a duplicate. Okay, so
You got it.
Uh-oh, I think we've got another duplicate. Another Ice Bear. Oh dear.
Oh dear.
We got two Ice Bears. Yeah, that voice over there is just my sister. Yeah. We got two of the duplicates.
Okay, let's try the other blind box.
That's correct. That's so sad because we already got. I thought it would be different, like Grizzly or Pan, but no, it was just another duplicate. Hopefully, we don't get another duplicate of Ice Bear, and then it will be an Ice Bear collection, Ice Bear video today. Anyways, let's start unboxing. Here we go. Hopefully, let's straighten this out.
It's really funny if it was the same thing.
Yeah, really funny.
Do you need some help?
No. Hang on. I can try doing this with maybe I should try it with my mouth. No, that didn't work. Anyways, my sister's gonna help. Yeah, my sister's gonna help. I think. Yeah. Oh no! Oh, that's cute. We got another one. It's Pan.
Wow.
Oh, he's so cute. He's wearing a smart outfit. He's so cute.
He's a professional.
Thanks, sis, for helping me with this.
Yeah.
He's so cute. Yeah.
We should put him with the other ones.
Yeah.
So these are the collection that you have.
That's it for now because right now we have the two. I thought it would be this Cabera would be Grizzly.
Yeah.
But sadly, it's another duplicate of Ice Bear. It's okay, but still duplicates also that's how the collection.
Yay.
So I hope you guys enjoyed this video today. I'll see you guys next time. Bye for now.
Bye.